The legacy of Oil India Limited dates back to 1889, when the first commercial discovery of crude oil in the country was made at Digboy, in the extreme corner of northeastern India. It marked the remarkable saga of the quest for the fugitive fuel, petroleum. From a humble beginning in the tropical rainforests of Digboy, search for hydrocarbons in India gathered momentum. Spearheaded initially by Assam Oil Company, AOC, and Burma Oil Company, BOC. In January 1958, after the discovery of Nahor Katia and Moran fields, the Burma Oil Company signed an agreement with the Government of India to form a company, Oil India Private Limited, and subsequently OIL was incorporated on 18 February 1959, with 2/3 shares owned by Assam Oil Company and Burma Oil Company, and the remaining 1/3 shares by the Government of India. Oil India Limited was now the nation's pride, contributing to help India become a world economic superpower. On 30th September 2009, with an overwhelming response, it was listed on the Indian bourses after a successful initial public offering. Going forward, in 2010, oil was bestowed with the Navratna status for its consistently good performance. Presently, Government of India holds 68.40% shares of OIL, while the employees and others hold the rest of the shares. Today, OIL doesn't just span the length and breadth of this country, but also enjoys a growing international footprint with presence in Libya, Gabon, Nigeria, Yemen, Mozambique, Sudan, Bangladesh, Venezuela, and USA. Oil India registered a constant increase in the production of crude oil and natural gas, along with record profit after tax, leading to a sharp increase in earnings per share and highest ever dividend payment. The company also issued bonus shares in the ratio of 3:2 during 2012. In September 2013, OIL has been rated as Baa2 during its maiden international credit rating evaluation by Messrs Moody's Investor Service, which is one notch higher than the sovereign rating given by Moody's. This speaks volumes about the strong financial and operational management of the company. Boasting of a rich history of over 5 decades, today Oil India Limited is entering into new areas for exploration and production of hydrocarbon, inducting innovative technologies in its areas of operation. Oil India Limited possesses the latest state-of-the-art hardware and software for seismic data acquisition, seismic data processing, and interpretation, coupled with services like satellite navigation, etc. Total Exploration Assets Management Team Center of the company is managed and run by highly competent geoscientists who possess skill and expertise to analyze E&P problems along with providing appropriate solutions. The R&D Center, with its strong analytical infrastructure, is carrying out in-depth research in areas of petroleum geochemistry, oil field chemicals, drilling and workover efforts, enhanced oil recovery, well stimulation, pollution control, and laying special emphasis in the direction of recovery of heavy oil. Oil India Limited the pioneer in the field of crude oil transportation in Southeast Asia, owns and operates a 1,157-kilometer long crude oil pipeline. Commissioned in 1962, the crude oil pipeline traverses 78 river crossings, including the mighty Brahmaputra, meandering through tropical rainforests and the world's greatest watershed at the Teesta area. The pipeline has been feeding the refineries in Assam, transporting crude oil produced by Oil India Limited and ONGC from their northeastern oil fields. The company also has a 660-kilometer long product pipeline from Numaligarh to Siliguri in West Bengal to evacuate the refined products of Numaligarh refinery.
Oil India Limited is the second largest national oil company of the country with a share of 10% of crude oil production and 5% natural gas production of the country. Our main producing areas are Assam and Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast and in Rajasthan in the western frontier. Oil India Limited, which started its journey in the northeast in the state of Assam, has spread its wings all over the country in Mahanadi and Krishna Godavari basin in the east coast, Kaveri basin in the south, Kutch, Saurashtra and Mumbai basins in the west coast.
With much emphasis on gas as a cleaner fuel for a country, which constantly requires energy to fuel its economy, the company commissioned an LPG extraction and bottling plant in 1982. Industries like gas-based power generation plants, fertilizer units, petrochemical plants, and even tea gardens are dependent on OIL for gas supply. Similarly, OIL provides natural gas to Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited. OIL has also ventured into renewable sources of energy by commissioning wind power plant of 13.6 megawatt at Ludhrava and 54 megawatt at Dangri in Rajasthan. It has also forayed into solar energy by commissioning solar plants of 230 kilowatt and a 5 megawatt plant in Rajasthan. But this is just the beginning. The company aims to take up larger wind and solar power projects in the years to come.
Oil India Limited has a selective presence in the hydrocarbon value chain. We have 26% stake in the Numaligarh Refinery Limited, 49% stake in Assam Petrochemicals Limited, and 10% stake in the Brahmaputra Gas Cracker and Polymers Limited. The key focus areas for growth of the company are intensive exploration to enhance the reserve base, acquisition of discovered and producing properties for inorganic growth, intensification of IOR and EOR activities in the fields, selective diversification in the E&P value chain, and non-conventional hydrocarbons such as coal-fired methane, shale gas, shale oil, LNG and renewable energy. In the pursuit of improving our footprints in the country and overseas, we have ventured in many prospective areas through bidding in the new exploration licensing policy rounds and securing exploration and production blocks throughout the world. Our assets in USA and Venezuela have already started producing, and we have made significant discoveries of oil and gas in our blocks in Libya and Gabon. Oil India Limited is well poised to take the opportunities and meet the challenges of the future with a growth-oriented vision, a progressive management, and a productive and positive workforce.
The company, since inception, has engaged itself directly with local communities, identifying their basic needs and integrating them with business goals. As a people's company, OIL exhibits unconditional commitment towards creating social assets and supports projects in areas of health, education, livelihood generation, infrastructure, sports, and many such projects. These not only empower the people, but also help in creating a strong bond with the society. The commitment to society from the beginning has been utterly based on sustainability. And as the company continues on its growth trajectory, so will the role it plays in social development, as 2% of its net profit has been earmarked for CSR activities. People make a company, and OIL truly believes in this. The highly motivated employees of Oil India are united by a common vision and bring dedication and commitment to their work. OIL lays great emphasis on training and development and imparts the requisite knowledge to its employees at operational and managerial levels, along with providing opportunities for personal development, growth, and recognition. Furthermore, this overall all-inclusive growth of Oil India Limited has not gone unnoticed, as is visible in the plethora of awards in its kitty. These awards and recognition reflect the spirit of OIL and are a source of inspiration for each and everyone associated with OIL. It's not just about the work at OIL. Personal development and well-being of the OIL family tops the priority list. OIL offers various leisure activities like golf, football, table tennis, badminton, lawn tennis, and many more, so that the employees can relax after a hard day's work. Day after day, every day, at different time zones across the globe, members of OIL family leave for work with the knowledge that their work serves a greater cause and with the willingness to give it their best. And this highly motivated team of OIL says it all, that the future of this company is in very good hands.